Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for June 22nd through July 6th. For June 22nd to 26th, this is what we have. We have here a trough over or upper low over the Aleutians, ridge here over the eastern Pacific into the west, and we also have above normal heights here with below normal heights and upper low. Now this upper low here will settle south of Hudson Bay, and this will send a cold front eastward. And ahead of that front, temperatures will be above normal with anomalies of 6 degrees or more. And the southern portion of the front is forecast to stall. That's something else I'm going to talk about across the southern states here, and this will bring heavy rain and storms through the region, and it'll be above normal precipitation across this area. Now, the ridge in the west will cause dry conditions, will exacerbate the dry conditions with the temperatures of 10 to 15 degrees or more above normal. That's another thing now. This is the rainfall compared to normal so far this year. You can see near to below. Here it's been wet, of course, from all the rain and the tropical storms. Now, this is the amount of precipitation that has fell in the last 90 days. You can see very dry here, 0.08. This might be Phoenix, 0.17. You can see it's very, very low for this time of year. Okay, another thing. We will have a front. There we go. I have a lot of things open here. A front that will push through the northwest, and this will bring organized precipitation to the northern and central Rockies. You can see right here, more organized here across this region, northern and central Rockies into the plains. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for June 27th through July 1st. And we have a trough over Alaska, above normal heights here, above normal heights across this area with the trough here. Models are in pretty good agreement on this. We go to the end of the period, see what I'm talking about. Near zone of flow, we have a ridge across the southern U.S. and the west. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 10 degrees or more above normal. The lower anomalies be here along the east coast, higher anomalies here, and we have below normal temperatures for this region and anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees below normal are forecast. Go look now at the period for July 2nd to the 6th. Now the models are displaying differences. This is a GFS, more amplified here with a trough, ridge here with the broad southwest flow across much of the east central states. And then we look at the European, kind of has a trough here in the Rockies and over the northeast, above normal heights here and here. And then we have the NAEFS, more zonal with near to above normal heights. And then as we take a look at the weeklies, you can see it has almost a zone of flow where the trough here in the northwest above normal heights across this area here. So I think that's how the pattern is going to end up, because GFS and European are both showing the same thing. So I'm going for this forecast period. Below normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 3 to 6 degrees below normal, and up near to above normal temperatures of forecast for the remainder of the nation, with the anomalies of up to 6 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, this was the wrong map. All right, we have below normal precipitation for the southern Rockies for this period. Probability of occurrence is 35%, and then we have above normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Now I'm going to make a correction with the last period. Let me see if I can bring this up. Okay, so for the last period, this is for June 27th through July 1st. We have below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And above normal precipitation forecast here and east of the Mississippi River. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. So that's a long range weather forecast discussion for June 22nd through July 6th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.